If you're trying to record slow motion videos but it's just not working on your iPhone, don't panic. I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First, switch to the right camera mode. Make sure you're actually in the slow-mo mode in the camera app. Just open the camera and swipe over to slow-mo. It won't work in regular video mode. After that, check camera compatibility. Some older iPhones do not support higher frame rate slow motion. For smoother slow-mo like 240 fps, you will need a newer iPhone model. Next, adjust frame rate and resolution. And for that, go to your settings app, then tap on camera. After that, go into record slow-mo and make sure it's not set too high for your storage or model. Try switching between these two to see what works best. After that, free up storage. Slow-mo videos take up more space, and if your iPhone is running low on storage, it may not save the video. For that, head back to the main settings menu and tap on General. Then, go inside iPhone storage and clear out any unnecessary files. Sometimes, a quick restart fixes minor software bugs affecting the camera. And if the problem continues, make sure you're running the latest iOS version. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.